open my eyes, and it's not the familiar sight of ancient Greece that greets me, but a cacophony of flashing screens and buzzing gadgets. I'm Plato, and I feel like I've been thrown into a whirlwind of madness.
Imagine Plato, the ancient Greek thinker, popping up in our wild, wired world, where we're all stuck to our devices like bees to honey.
I take a stroll through the city streets where everyone's rushing around like they're being chased by a three-headed Cerberus. I overhear people arguing about the latest gossip, and I can't help but roll my eyes. Where's the pursuit of truth and wisdom in all this noise? I catch sight of a bunch of politicians on TV, slinging mud at each other like they're in some kind of modern-day chariot race. It's all about power, not about justice or virtue.
Plato's face says it all. He's not buying this whole modern show. He's shaking his head at our obsession with superficiality and our disregard for what really matters.
As I sit in a park, I watch people scrolling through their screens, missing out on the beauty of the world around them. They're trapped in a digital cave, oblivious to the true forms of reality.
Plato looks straight at the camera, and he's got something to say to all of us.
Listen up, folks. Don't get lost in the shadows of this digital age. Take a moment to look up, to think, to question. True fulfillment isn't found in the glow of a screen, but in the depths of your own soul.
As Plato's figure fades into the background, his words linger in the air like a timeless echo. In this chaotic world, perhaps a dose of Plato's ancient wisdom is just what we need to find our way back to what truly matters. Plato's silhouette disappears into the horizon, leaving us with a reminder that in the midst of all the hustle and bustle, the pursuit of wisdom and the cultivation of virtue are the real treasures that withstand the test of time.